Okay, so here you see, let me open few of the things. Website from data. First, get the data, get the prompt from another platform. I will show you. There are some very good platforms where you can directly copy the prompt. But for your business, we are not going to copy. We will design how you can, like yesterday, I shared how you can design your entire copy. Okay. And this website has been created using the prompt. That's it. Using the prompt. Create using this data. So what is this data? This is the entire prompt where it has mentioned build a 3D creator portfolio landing page for the JEC using a React, TypeScript, Tailwind, CSS. Okay, forget about these junk, all these technical things. Section order. What should be the section order? What should be the hero section? These are the sections of the website. Okay. Now don't worry that you should be learning all these things. Okay, no need to learn all these things. What the things which you need, at least you have little bit clarity ke what you are going to provide. Home section about your story and the courses, anything like testimonial, frequently asked questions, your contact details. Okay, and form filling, appointment section. So these are the some basic things that everybody knows, right? Okay. So here you see, this is the entire prompt. What I did, I optimized this prompt for my niche. Okay. What I will do, I copy this prompt. I'm copying this prompt. And I'm going to recreate this prompt for, okay, for whom should I create? I open this new. Now what I will do, here is a prompt. Okay, just typing full document. Okay. So you see, these are some of the images it has uh, added. Image link. Okay. So what it did, image link you can add or you can remove. Okay. And if you want to add some specific images, you can search on any image database like Pixabay. Okay. Like Pixel. These are just some of the database. Unflash. Okay, so from there you can get some images and just copy paste those images here, or otherwise just simply I want, here is the website prompt. I want to optimize this prompt for, like I know Pooja ji niche, so for healing niche coach is Pooja, I think, right, ma'am? Meanwhile, let me share with you some very amazing site, motion sites.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, वो CYL में लिंक पूछ रहे हैं तो मैंने उनको पर्सनल में डाल दिया है।
Okay, okay.
ठीक
I
है,
didn't share
चलिए।
today. Yeah, I
हाँ, आपने
deliberately.
सिर्फ ऐड पोस्ट किया है, लिंक नहीं डाला है, तो मैं डाल दूं क्या CYL में?
हाँ मैम, थैंक यू सो मच, आप डाल दीजिए। एक्चुअली कल क्या हुआ था, कल मैं मैसेज कर रही थी तो उन्होंने बोला प्लीज आप ज्यादा स्पैम मत करो, तो मैंने आज नहीं भेजा, सिर्फ एक मैसेज ही भेजा था।
तो मैंने जो 2 जनों ने पूछा है ना, उनको मैंने पर्सनल में डाल दिया है फिर। ठीक है।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू। Okay. This is the motion site where you will get very good animated website prompts. So copy that prompt and optimize that prompt for your business. Okay. and simply add that prompt on a Claude. So you see, here you will get very good prompts. Let me scroll down. Now you see, ma'am, this has been created. Okay. With healing coach landing page build prompt, healing coach portfolio landing page using React. Okay. Then hero section, marquee section. Okay. Some good things it has created. So what we are going to do, we are going to tell it, okay, now create website using this data. It started building. So meanwhile, let's explore this motion site AI website. Okay. So here you see, these are the websites where some website like you can copy the prompt from here, but this one is premium one. So you need to buy a subscription, but you will find very good website from here also. Okay. Then you can optimize using Claude, optimize the entire prompt for the Claude. Okay. So you see art landing page website. This one is right, Prisma creative website. This can be used for the any coaching business. Now you see this website. Let's see how it is. Can you see this? Just copy the prompt and paste the prompt on your any file. You see this one is a premium one. So you can check how much they are charging for a premium website. And this one you see this is a real estate website. I love this one. You want me to create this? Yeah, this you can use for any uh, clothing brand.
Yeah, done.
Awesome. Hana? So you can take this and the next step you optimize for your business. Likewise, like we did here for this one. You can optimize this for your business. Okay. Just simply for optimization, little bit understanding you need. Okay, I don't want this section like here. You see testimonial. You can add your testimonial link here, and then you give entire document to the Claude, and it will create entire website for you. Okay. Each and every section you can optimize. I want to show you one website entire design which myself and my one of the clients sit together and we designed the website before we started using on AI platform. Okay, this one is the website. You see website style. You see, this one is website think premium means color. We sit together and we understand कि उनको किस तरह की website चाहिए. He asked me just to create a simple website that anybody can understand what he is selling. So we created like simple website like about surveys, free healing course, book, testimonial. These are the things he is wanting for his website. Okay, the color combination based on the research we did this color combination. Then complete website structure we created what should be the psychology, sub headlines, hero sections कैसा होना चाहिए, trust bar what should be the trust bar. Okay, and then what should be the problem you are solving, what are the methods you are using, okay, what are the services you are providing, right? Service page, what are your course page, what you are going to give as a free things to your visitors. Then blog page, what should be the blog page content. Okay, this is little bit structured, but if you can do, you can definitely do using Claude. You don't need to be very perfectionist when you are getting started. Okay. Okay, now you see it has created, it is creating, still creating something. Okay, let it create. Till then, let's explore this part. Okay, now you see this one website. We can change the image. Okay, I'm copying this prompt. Okay, and I'm going to put on a okay, leave it. It's not opening. Um, Before starting the session, everything was working very fine. My laptop speed was very good, but when I am doing the session, it is showing all these kind of error. Okay. Now you see the zip file has been created. Okay, let's see the zip file healing site. What it is showing, React, npm install and everything. We need to run it. Signing instructions are in the readme instruction. Yep. Okay. No, I don't want the zip file. Okay. So it has created a zip file. So it needs another two step to show you these things. Okay, so we are not going to do right now, but before that I want to share these two more skills and the artifact section. Okay, and what is artifact and what are skills? You can create your skills, and for optimization I will share with you one prompt which you can use to optimize your Claude. Okay, so based on your niche, your target audience, based on your target audience, your framework and your product, your services, you can optimize your Claude. So that Claude will create the content, what problem your audience is facing, what solutions are available in the market, how you are different from your competitors. You can do everything here on the Claude using the competitor research skill as well. Using the Canva skill, you can create these designs. Okay, so earlier, once I shared one of the LinkedIn post. Let me share with you how you can create the LinkedIn post. Yeah, before let me share the artifact. What are the artifacts?
Hello, ma'am, please speak in Hindi. Hello,
I can.
hello,
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
hello. Ma'am, please speak in Hindi.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Speak in Hindi language.
अच्छा हिंदी में बोलूं मैं. ओके.
Ah,
ओके.
okay. Thank you.
ठीक है. So are what about others? Are you comfortable with Hindi? Everybody should understand. My purpose is that कि सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. Are you okay with Hindi, guys? If you are okay,
Yes,
then
yes, 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 yes.
okay. Okay, Kimi. I will start in Hindi. What about others? Vinay ji, what are you telling? Manisha ji, Manisha Shroff, Pooja.
It's okay. It's okay, ma'am. Hindi is fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for giving the permission. Okay. Sorry, I'm not checking your comment. I'm in a campus to corporate trainer. I want to know how it will benefit me. Yeah, sure, sure, Manisha. I'm in a mindful coaching. Okay. Yes. So first, let me see coaches, trainer. You can use the Claude. What are the things you need? You need a lead generation content website. Okay, lead generation part is where you need to connect the connector. Second, you for content creation, for webinar launch, for website launch, you can use Claude. Okay, so yesterday I shared with you website part. Now I want to share this quickly because some of the people you didn't join. Artifact. What are the artifact? Here you see I shared earlier this quiz. You see here artifact. These are the artifact where you will see categories. What do you want to create? Do you want to create app or website, document or templates, games, productivity tools? Like you are in a corporate sector, you can create a habit tracker. Okay, creative project, any quiz and survey you want to do in a corporate, you can create a quiz and survey, and you can start from the scratch. And to start from the scratch, you need at least I need to understand what you want to start from the scratch. So let's say I want to create a productivity tool. I will come back to this. Then customization part is where you will have a skills, you will have a connector. Okay, so here you will find the skills. And let me share with you yesterday, in the yesterday session you can upload the skill as well. Okay, so the database part I forgot to do that work. I will do and share with you. Now you can directly browse the skill. Okay, you can browse. Here we have some of the skills available, this web artifact, MCP builder, brand guidelines. So you can add these skills and start doing. Like for example, in the mindfulness coaching, you want to set what should be your brand stand for. Okay, now Canva design, you can create a Canva directly, Canva file. Okay, So here you need to just add this skill and it will be available for you. Third thing is the connectors. Third thing is the connector. You connect any of these platforms. You can connect the Notion if you have Notion. Do you know Notion? Notion where you can organize all your digital calendar and anything like coaching assets. You can put your all the coaching asset like your details of your customer onboarding date and the sessions you have done with him him or her. मतलब आपने कितने सेशंस उनके साथ किए हैं, क्या क्या किया है, एवरीथिंग यू कैन पुट इन अ नोशन. नाउ लेट आई वांट टू कनेक्ट माय गूगल ड्राइव because let's say you can connect the Google Drive. Here you be very cautious when you are connecting with the Google Drive because it will take the access. Okay, it will take the access. You can connect the Gmail, Google Drive, Slack. Now connecting all these, this simple thing, what you need, you just click on this plus button and it will ask you for the access. Okay, and then you give the access to it. Now I'm giving the access to my Google Drive. I have so much data on this Google Drive because everything I'm uploading on my mobile, it will be uploaded here on this drive. So anytime you can remove the access also. It is not a permanent. Once you are giving access, you can remove the access as well.
एक्सेस कैसे रिमूव करेंगे मैम?
The same way you are giving the access here. उसको access remove करने के लिए आपको Google में जाना, आपके ड्राइव में जाना है, and you will check how many tools you had given the access, or you can directly come here and disconnect it. Okay. Okay. So it is take. So for the lead generation, there are already tools available here, connectors tools available here. That is Apollo. When you go and search here, you will find some Apollo AI. Now you see, you will find the Apollo AI here. Find buyer, book more meetings, close more deals. Now for that, you need to connect. Just click on the plus button. Yes. For the Apollo AI, you need to create your account on Apollo AI first, and then you connect your Apollo AI here. Because earlier I created account here. It is asking me to give the access. Okay. I'm giving it access. Now you see, it will ask you these things, then you have to give the access and continue. Now, okay. By mistake it closed. Okay. Mhm. Now here, what I can do, I have now access of this connector. You see, here it is connected. Google Drive is on. It is connected. Now what I will be doing here, I'll simply ask it to find my objection handling script. Okay. Yes. When it asks need a tool you haven't connected, Claude will search for the relevant connector, change anytime setting. Now you see, I think it was not connected, that's why it's showing. I could use Google Drive here, but it's turned off for this chat. Let me on it. Use it. Always allow? No. I want only once allow. Now you see, all the data has been retrieved. What I need to do? Okay. All everything messenger script, AIB's ultimate messenger script, ultimate new SPM copy of ultimate. So I had so many copies on my drive. Now, the next step, what you can do, awesome. I am having the conversation with Pooja. Her niche is healing. I want you to create 5 follow-up messages based on the previous chat. Like I can upload the previous chat. You mean whatever the conversation I'm doing in the WhatsApp or in my Zoom meeting? You know, when you are finishing your Zoom meeting, you get the summary of the Zoom meeting. So you put that summary here and ask it for the conversation. Now I'm not giving the previous chat right now. Based on the previous chat summary, I'm giving this quick summary. Okay, I'm having very high. Now let's see what it is telling me. Awesome. Now it is creating the follow-up messages based on my already optimized messenger script. Messenger means it is kind of DM marketing, DM messages. I can do on LinkedIn, I can do on Facebook, I can do on any of the platform like Instagram as well. And now previously we were doing all these things using very manually. We were doing everything manually. But now we are not doing everything manually. We have set up some tools to do this. My video is not visible, is it?
Yes, ma'am, your video is visible.
Visible? Okay. Okay. Now you see, acknowledge, I totally hear you on the investment piece. That's such a common feeling right before people make a real shift. Can I ask, when you think about continuing to heal on your own without support, what does that path look like for you in the next 6 months? Value anchor. I get it. Healing works can feel like just another expenses until you really see it as an investment in yourself. Most of the women I worked with felt the same way until they realized staying stuck was costing them more emotionally than the program. What would it feel like to finally not carrying this alone? Okay, it has created 5 follow-up messages. Now, this is the next level which I tried with you for the very first time. Okay, now in this way, what you first need all the conversation that you are doing with your client, and that you can use. There are some of the tools that you can use. Inbuilt feature, Zoom has an inbuilt feature if you are using the paid version. Okay, I will share some of the tools which you can start when you are doing the conversation, like transcript AI is there. You can get Fathom is there, where you can get all the summary you are doing with your client. ठीक है, तो कुछ tools हैं जिसका आप use करके कर सकते हो. Okay, so I am closing this right now. Not the session, just I'm closing. I'm opening my another account because on this account there is not an issue, but I want to show you what I had did on the Claude, some good project. Okay, so yes, so here I want to show the lovable. You know lovable, everybody, right? Okay, so the lead magnet I designed on the Claude. I asked it the Claude, I want to design something like this and deploy as a app. So it gave me entire structure on a Claude, but I copy that structure and ask all everything, uh, and put it on a lovable. Yes, lovable also give a very good insight when it is building. But to get started from the scratch, you have these things. Okay, so I will share with you lovable. Let it start first. Meanwhile, let me share some of the website which we built earlier. Okay, Claude, these are the, yeah, we didn't explore the productivity tool. We will explore soon. So here you see, I created one productivity tool, this one. This is a personal habit tracker. And this is for myself, not for everybody. Now this week, I do not have any habit. I want to add, let's say I want to add any habit. Mm, Time tracking, then investment. This week, nothing. I have nothing here. So this one is the simple. Now, if you want to build it from scratch and deploy on a lovable, we will have a process that you simply ask it like for example, in your case you want to build any example. Okay, investment calculator for working professional. Now it is asking me for what? Is it SIP mutual fund planner, lump sum SIP combo, goal based, salary having, wealth builder, what kind of thing? I will go for the goal based. Okay. Now, how much to invest monthly? When I will reach my goal, compare different return rates. Now, I want to build, for example, a 50 lakh this year. I want to understand on which different assets I can invest and what are the possibility of reaching to this goal. Okay, so let's different return rates, tax saving. I will reach my when I will reach my. Okay, when you will reach your goal, exact year and month away, a year by year chart, milestone marker, total investment, total gained, wealth gained, clean India friendly, work for. Okay, looks good. Let me know if you would like to make any changes. Let I am just giving it no, go ahead. Okay. So the second thing which may you are all the coaches meta ad strategy I created for the diabetes reversal coaching. I will show you this at the end. Now before that, I want to show this generating lead with Claude. The next step. Okay, so webinar presentation. Let me show you this one. How you can create your entire webinar presentation slides. But yeah, in between you need to add your things. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm conducting webinar on this. I have shared with you the mind map. Where it is mind map? I have shared with you the mind map. Mind map is not uploaded here. and use the context in the PDF created. Okay. So what I did, let me create for somebody else here. Come forward. I will create your entire presentation. Anybody want to come forward? Manisha ji or who else? Pooja and who is from the mindset coaching, mindfulness coaching? Is anybody from mindset mindfulness coaching? अच्छा वानी थी she left. Okay. Do you want to come forward? And then we will conclude our session in next 20 minutes. Yes, tell me, Manisha.
Ma'am, I just want to know how it can be created or what can be created basically. I've never created. Is your Claude version a paid version?
No, Manisha, it is not a paid version. It is a free version.
And the lovable you were talking about,
Lovable,
is it
lovable.
a part of class?
No. Lovable is separate platform. Okay.
Okay, it's like something like Chat GPT, Gemini, Claude. Lovable is also
Yes,
another
Lovable
thing.
is an app builder. Yes, Lovable is website and app builder both.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see the thing which we just did. It has created a this simple calculator tracker. Okay. And what you can do, goal based investment tracker, what you need, you put your details over here and you will get the calculation. And how you can integrate this is just copy this, download this HTML and integrate, go and upload on somewhere like Netlify. I shared with you. Did I share this Netlify where you can host your these kind of website for free? Netlify and Tiny AI. These are the simple platform where you can just upload your HTML file. Hmm. So I'm uploading this file on this platform and I will share with you. Till then, let's open. Okay, I was about to share with you how you can build your this one webinar funnel. not sorry, webinar PPT. Okay. So here you see it has created JS file, and I created using the presentation. The simple, I had downloaded the JS file and again given it to the Claude, and it created for me everything. Now the second thing you see, it has created a phase wise. So the great thing of this Claude is that it will give you a like a very organized thing. Now you can download this entire this organized data, like week wise content for my coaching program. Day one I will be doing this, day two I will be doing this. Okay, so likewise it has created, and I can upload this HTML file on any of these kind of free hosting platform. Okay, so once you have a clarity, you can give the same clarity to your client that these are the steps which we are going to follow in the next 90 days or 120 days when they are joining your community. Okay. So just it's sometimes it takes longer. Now what you need to do, just what we did here, upload your file. We have so many files. I have so many demo files, so I'm going to share with you this one first one, that tracker which we created, investment calculator. And second, I will show you this Magnetify website, how it has been first built on a Claude, and then you can make it live. This is a Netlify. You create and rename this name. Quick setup. Rename the name of this website. For example, this is investment tracker. Tracker. That name is not available. Tracker. This is available. That is not available. Update. Finish later. You can even add your domain if you have. Now let's check how it is. Okay, awesome. So it has created now. You can share or you can upload this link on your website also. Okay. Let's say I want to put here 20 annual SIP. I don't accept every time. Now you see, target amount is this. How much investment I need to do over 14-year, wealth gain 47, goal by 2040. I don't know. The real market, we haven't used the real data right now. Okay. So these are the some of the things which you can do. The next thing, let me show you. Once your HTML file is ready, okay. So this is the way you need to just go and upload your file here, and your website will be live. Okay, just quick setup. Now the next step is how to connect your domain. Here you can connect your domain. You can once your domain is connected, you can make it live. पहले आपको डोमेन कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. we cannot upload quickly one back to back. We need to have at least 15 minutes gap. Then we upload the next website. Okay. So I will share this one. Check out this how it is working. Now the second I will share with you once it is at least 15 minutes the another website. What else? Okay, I had shared the prompt. Check this out. How is it? Okay, I'm closing it now. I'm closing it for now. This the rest of the thing I shared with you that website, this webinar you can create directly from here. Okay, let me show you some other client I shared with you, other person. Okay, let me show you this one. How is it? Okay, now you see, this is the structure which I have to have the flow of your webinar. कि आपका webinar का flow क्या होना चाहिए. Okay, and this is the some data of the client, and then I uploaded here some of the data like what should be the framework क्या होना चाहिए, services क्या होने चाहिए, all these things I uploaded and then I gave this prompt. Now if anybody want to come forward, I will do it quickly, or you can try by yourself. I'm sharing this prompt in the chat. Okay, or you come forward because this is the data is I shared with my paid client. Anybody wants to come forward and let's do it and come up with some learning and output. Okay, share your niche. Any topic if you are not conducting, let's create the topic right away. Manisha ji, आप what topic you are delivering in your corporate coaching?
Interview skills, group discussion, those are the topics.
So what will be the output? Means and the goal.
End goal is they learn to confidently face the interview.
Become confident.
Confidently.
Become confident professional, is it?
Confidently face the interviews.
Okay. Become job ready.
Yeah.
Anything you can share about your framework? What framework you are using? Any unique name of your framework? Manisha ji, any unique name of your framework?
No unique name, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So I'm putting some just a random thing. Okay. Okay. I'm conducting a webinar on topic become job ready for working for professional. What is the age group?
College students. The
Okay.
last.
College students. For college student. I've shared you with the mind map. This is the mind map, which is high ticket flow webinar. Understand it and create the other two PDF. Okay, so here it is an other two PDF where I have to put. So I'm removing this and use the context provided in the other two PDF. Like context is something which I am doing. Use the context available on internet or to the competitor research. Create a full conversion potential presentation so we can convert maximum actors. Okay, this is my optimized. Uh, keep the slide blue and white background. So I had kept this. Now to get started with this, what you need, just go ahead. Okay, let's see. And then let me come back. Okay, productivity tool. Okay, now let me show you one more feature. This is really amazing feature is the your skill. Now right now I have uploaded two skill that is Canvas skill and skill creator. You can create the skill. Now you can even browse some skill as like carousel. Let's see if they are carousel. Let's use this GIF creator. Installing. Now when we are using, you need to just give this slash and this thing. Okay. So I'm uploading one image or a file and asking it to create a GIF using this data. Okay. So I'm just putting an image, create GIF. Hello, hello, हेलो. बहुत बिजी आवत हो मैडम. हाँ जल्दी बोलो, सेशन चालू है. सिमी कहाँ है? सिमी सत्संग में है. बरसात नहीं हो रही होते? तुम बाद में कर रहे हैं. I can see the photo now. What kind regarding this image? Okay. Awesome. It is building it. Okay, so far, if you have any question, come forward and ask me quickly questions.
Thank you, ma'am. I got to know about different websites, how to use them. Thank you.
Awesome. So you learn how to use the different website, or you can go on a
I
website.
got to know about them, that these websites are there. You know what they can be used for.
Okay. You want to know about the website, what are the use cases, right?
Yeah, like Claude and Lovable, and I got to know about all these things which I was not familiar with.
Okay. So yes, here, if you are in business, do you have any website or something like?
No, ma'am. No, I don't have any.
Okay, so you can create the website using the Claude. You put all the data. Okay, you give
Okay.
it everything what you do. You create, or you first document everything what you do and give it to the Claude. So Claude will give you more clarity. Okay, I will share
Okay.
one of the prompt in the chat, that is a strategy prompt. So it will give you the clarity on
Okay.
strategy.
Ma'am, can you share it on WhatsApp? That would be more better.
Yes, I will.
You
I
can
will.
copy it from there.
Yes, I will share in the WhatsApp only.
Okay. Thank
That,
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'll have to take leave now.
okay. Awesome. So it has created 30 slides. Okay. Creating 30 slides. I referenced slide 4, credential icon appears. Good, that confirms. Icon bug. Okay. No, it is not using my image to create the any GIF. It will create by itself, but not based on my images, not based on this photo slipping on a slide. Do something else with the actual photo, like cropping, color adjustment, or adding text graphics for a social post. Okay, so what I will do, it is creating, it started creating. Now the second option, I will give this to it. Anybody else has any more questions? Bhaskar, Pooja, Sam, Amrut, Parma. It is building it. Okay, so meanwhile, let me show you this very amazing, the book marketing, ebook marketing. Are you anybody author here in the community? Because I am in the authors community where people are looking for book marketing. Okay, so I built a book marketing web app. It is about to live in 2 days. I will do that live. Just Razorpay integration is left here. No question. Thank you so much. Pooja ma'am, you do not have any question? So how we are going to use it? Use this. Okay, script is ready. This final copy, final script to the output. Okay, and to continue, we need more credits. Okay, so here is my project, earlier project. So this one is opening. Let it see. Now you see, your presentation is ready. Your presentation is loading. Awesome. So how much time it took? 7-8 minutes? 7 to 8 minutes. It has created your entire PPT. So first section is title, promise, agenda, mental credibility. 2 student success story, 6 problem they are facing, story and timeline, principle, framework, job readiness. Okay, then framework. Who is this? Okay, Manisha's lab. Okay, so I will share with you this one in the chat. Now let's explore it first. What are the things it has created? Let me here. Okay. Now you can ask me why Sonu I should be using this. Gamma is already available. You go and use the gamma and then come back to me. Because gamma is creating very layman style, but it is creating a very structured. You see, just go through it and you will find your roadmap for the next 90 minutes, 75 minutes, a mentor who has walked, mentor image, real transformations. Here are some of the transformation. Result across batches. Awesome. Brutal truth about today's job market. It did a research as well, online research. What are the silent reasons talented students stay unemployed? These are the reasons. What does one more year of figuring out alone? My journey and why this exists. I was brilliant student, get over. So these are the things to have in a typical webinar. Okay. These are the content which you should have in a typical webinar, but here you can add what you know, you add that part, and what you don't know, you remove that part. Okay. So now scoring, these are the score you will be asking at the end of the webinar. Okay. Then you will be pitching your 90-day program. This is the pitching and marination process. And at the end, this is the marination, your decision, don't leave the session. Now, type in the chat, how is it? You might have created earlier also. It has created a 30 slide presentation. Can you imagine 30 slide presentation? Even if you didn't share your framework, your own stories, nothing, but still it has created all these things. Yes, the structure which I had given to it, based on that structure, it created for you. Awesome. So now just last thing which I want to share with you, this app which I built completely using, like I know I created first the lead magnet. Then I thought, why can't I convert this lead magnet into ebook? Then the idea came into my mind, because I want a proper structure to do the marketing of this lead magnet using email marketing, WhatsApp marketing. So I built this 31-day book launch personalized, you can create that in just 5 minutes. But you can create it in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how you can create. But right now there is no payment option added so far. But you can get the preview at least of first first phase, not all the phases. Okay. So your complete 31-day book launch plan, it is subscription wise, 14 personalized message you will get, 31-day calendar, 4 phases launch strategy, 30 launch rules. Now you don't need to pay right now, but I want you to go and test this. This is the preview, and I want you to go and test it. Just simply get my launch kit. When you click on get my launch kit, it will ask you to register using your email id. You register using your email id, and the next step, it will ask you all the details. What is your topic, and who is your target audience, and when you are going to launch your book, and yes, the expected date, number of pages, or maybe the chapters. It will be asking you chapters as well. You put all those chapters, and it will give you the first phase marketing content, and it built through proper structuring on the Claude. Then I put it on the, then I built on the Lovable. But entire brainstorming I did on a Claude. Okay. Share in the chat. Go ahead and check this out. Check this out. Okay. So done for today. Any question? Come on the camera. I will share the prompt. Okay. I will share the PPT which we created today. I will share the investment that chat with investment calculator using the artifact. Go to the artifact and explore the things what I shared today, and let me know in the group how it's going to help you in your business. Okay. So guys, come on the camera quickly, and we will conclude the session. So right now I do not have anything to pitch you, because I believe first I understand your problem, and if you feel like I can help you, then you can book a call with me. You can ask me for the call booking link in the group, or otherwise I'm going to share with you. So now come on the camera, everybody. Thank you so much. Don't want to come on the camera? Thank you, Bhaskar ji, for coming on the camera. I'm switching my camera, just a moment. Am I visible?
Yes.
Okay, I'm visible, yes. Okay, so any questions so far, ma'am? So how you are going to use, by the way, tell me. कैसे आप यूज करने वाले हैं? कैसे आप यूज करने वाले हैं, मैम? अमृत परमार, what you do, by the way? I have to explore the tool for my marketing campaign. Okay. Use it for marketing campaign for which platform? Is it for Meta? Is it for LinkedIn? Yeah. You can create an amazing marketing. You can connect both Meta also. You know, you can connect Claude and Meta together. Yes, that is little bit advanced thing. I can't share in this session itself. But yes, we will plan another session. And if you are marketing for your client also, you can build entire structure on the Claude itself. Okay. So I will share with you if in the next session, if we are doing the next session. Awesome. Have you tried so far, Bhaskar ji? For like you can also design some script as well. Do the competitor research and put the research on this, and you can use the magics. Have you tried the magics? Some of the AI tools for setting the this thing meta ads. No, try magics. Okay, just search on a Google. You will find some of the video for the magic. Okay, awesome. So, Sam, who is this Sam? Come on the camera quickly. Guys, come on the camera and let's have magic. Magic. Is this a tool? Magics. Magics is the tool. X is there. Okay, come on the camera. I want you to come on the camera. नहीं मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं. Okay, don't want to come. ठीक है, मत आओ. Any question? No question? Okay, so what I do you want to know what I do in just 2 minutes? Shall I share or leave it? Chalega. I help coaches like you building the business to build your system on a proper platform, not just a random using Claude. Claude is okay, but there is, see, Claude is for strategizing things. Claude is for brainstorming. You can automate the Claude, but it still takes some time to leverage the Claude to its full potential. Okay. So if you are using the free plan, you can have one or two connector. But if you go for the paid plan, I'm going to share with you in the next session how you can use the co-work, how you can use the code. But for a business owner like coaching business, we don't need to learn each and everything. First, we need to just master our skill and what we are good at, that's it, deliver that thing. Don't learn each and everything, because when you start learning everything, गधे को कुत्ते की तरह हम, like just an example, एक एग्जाम्पल किसी ने शेयर किया था, आई फॉरगॉट हु शेयर्ड दिस एग्जाम्पल. We'll share that story. If you are started doing like सुनार का काम लोहार करने लगेगा, तो फिर कैसे काम चलेगा? So you identify your skill and just focus on that skill instead of learning each and everything. Yeah, basic things like, if you do not have money, if you don't want to invest, you learn this basic skill of launching your website, doing the webinar, lead generation, and talking with the people. That is very important. How you do the conversation with your prospect, how you follow up. The follow up ke liye, previously I used to do a lot of follow ups using the DMs and manual follow up. Now you have an email follow up, you have WhatsApp follow up, you can set the WhatsApp automation for following up, right? Yes. If you have a very big data, like some people in my community, like Atra Garden Mart hai, जैसे Sagar, जैसे Nature Ahar वाले हैं, he has a many products, so he is doing this WhatsApp marketing very frequently and following up. So you learn few things and start implementing very quickly. Awesome. So yes, thank you so much for coming on on this session, and let's conclude. If you want to come on the camera, still you have one just 30 seconds. Chaliye. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for coming on the call. We will meet next in the next session. Thank you. Any question, Pooja ma'am? Amrut Parmar, you are still here? Hmm? No question? ठीक है. Amrut Parmar, Sam, Chad. Are you in another group or you are in a Avikan Digital Shakti group, Sam? ठीक है. Okay. चलिए, bye bye. Thank you so much.